Owning a Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't like buying a regular car. It's not just a purchase, it's an entry into a world of luxury, craftsmanship, and prestige. Here's your complete step-by-step guide. The Phantom is often called the king of luxury cars. Every detail is handcrafted by artisans in Goodwood, England. Prices start at $500,000, but in countries like India or Pakistan, taxes and duties can double that figure. Under the hood, a whisper-quiet 6.75-liter V12 engine. Inside, starlight headliners, lamb's wool carpets, and leather so fine it feels like a second skin. Budgeting goes beyond the sticker price. Factor in insurance, thousands annually. Maintenance, $10,000 to $20,000 per year. Fuel, expect under 6 kilometers per liter. And if you're chauffeur-driven, add staff costs. Most owners pay cash. Financing is rare. The Bespoke process is pure magic. Rolls-Royce invites you to Goodwood or offers virtual design sessions. Imagine choosing a custom exterior color, leather matching your favorite handbag, wood veneers with your family crest, a starlight roof with your constellation. As Rolls-Royce says, no two Phantoms are ever the same. Owning a Phantom means joining an elite circle. It's not just wealth, it's patience, appreciation for artistry, and a lifetime connection to the pinnacle of automotive luxury. From the moment your handcrafted masterpiece arrives in its royal delivery ceremony, you're not just a car owner, you're part of history.